Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show how you can make a beautiful candle holder out of waste newspaper. If you're interested in this video, please watch it till end, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I make videos related to DIYs and home decor. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, take a piece of newspaper and start rolling it. Secure its end using white glue. Make 4 such rolls. Then paint them using brown acrylic color. Then join 2 newspaper rolls together. And then secure them using white glue. Then take 3 cardboard pieces measuring 6 into 6 cm and join them using white glue. Then I'm going to cover the cardboard piece with newspaper. Then paint it with brown acrylic color as well. Then take an acrylic color bottle and start rolling the newspaper roll around it. This will help the newspaper roll to bend easily. The same on the other newspaper roll as well. Then secure the ends of newspaper roll using a clear tape. Then I am going to bend the newspaper rolls into oval shape. Then I have taken a woolen thread. Now I am going to place one newspaper roll inside the other. Then secure it using the woolen thread. Repeat the same process on the upper side. Now I'll apply glue on the base and stick the newspaper roll over it. To decorate it, I am sticking some artificial leaves and flowers. You can decorate it according to your choice. You can use birds, pom-poms, etc. To decorate the base, I am using rhinestones. And after placing the candle, our DIY will be ready. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos, because your one subscription means a lot. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching.